Hi, this is Mariette from HowToExpo. I welcome you in my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make crunchy cucumber pickles. Let's get started. First, find the jar that you want to pickle your cucumbers in. I have prepared several, but I'm going to use this one now. Wash the pickles well and cut the bottom part and the blossom part only. You can prepare your pickles without the spices, but I like to put few spices in mine so that it gives some taste. For spices, I have here black pepper, mustard seeds, allspice, and a little coriander. You can omit coriander or any of the spices if you don't like, but I like to put some in mine. I like the taste. So I will take a spoonful. The secret to have crunchy pickles is tannin, and tea bags have tannin. Yeah, a bag of tea will do. So you throw one in and 2 or 3 bay leaves. I didn't have a fresh one, I'm using a dried one, which is okay. And then you arrange your cucumber in the jar as tight as you can. The reason it should be tight so that no oxygen penetrates it. The oxygen is the one that interferes for the pickles to become crunchy. Put few cloves of garlic. You can put it on the bottom, which is better. I just forgot to do that. It's okay, it will go into the brine. And also I put few sprigs of dill. You can omit that. I like the taste. Not too many to overpower the brine, but just few. And now that we prepared the jar, we prepare the brine. It's very, very important that the water is filtered and the salt is pure, natural, coarse salt. I'll put 1 tablespoon and half for this jar. A little bit more, it's not going to affect it because the brine is going to be salty, but the vegetables are not. You mix it to melt it completely and you pour it over the pickles. Now that everything is ready, try to push it down as much as you can. Just to tighten a little bit more. It's very important that after this, oxygen doesn't go into the jar. Now we have to put some kind of weight over the cucumbers to keep them down. Now you are going to tell me, after all this tightness, what will happen to the cucumber? Why the weight? Well, after the fermentation starts, it's going to come up bubbles. And those bubbles will push the cucumber up. And that we don't want because we don't want the cucumbers to touch any oxygen. So all my lids are on my other jars. I don't have any more weight to put on. So I have this stone which is clean. And put the lid on. Place the jar in a corner that is warm. If the weather is warm, in 2 days you will see bubbles coming up, and maybe in 2 or 3 days you can taste it. And if it's done to your taste, you immediately put it in the fridge. But if the weather is cold, maybe it will take much longer for the bubbles to come up and the cucumbers to become crunchy pickles. It's been a week since we started to ferment our cucumbers, and now they are ready. You remember we put the stone to keep the cucumbers in the brine. First we take the stone out. We don't have to discard the dill. Let's take out a pickle to taste. You leave everything in the brine all the time. You only take the ones that you are going to serve. So let me try if it's crunchy. Now that's some good pickles. It is tasty. I love it. I will serve this at dinner tonight. I will really appreciate if you like and share my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to click on the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. See you soon.